Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing this makeup look. It's like this fall-ish kind of look using the Anastasia Subculture palette. If you guys want to see how to get this makeup look, just keep on watching. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Subculture palette and I'm going to go into the shade Dawn. All over my crease, not being too precise about it whatsoever. And I'm going to use a Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to go into the shade Edge. I'm going to just be putting this all over my crease just like the other shade. And I'm just using this really fluffy brush. I'm gonna go into this shade, the shade New Wave. I'm gonna go in with my M441 brush again because it's a little more tapered. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the color Axis. I'm just going to drag this into the crease just a little bit, just to blend it out. And I'm using a M433 brush. I'm going to go into this another Morphe brush onto the same color and just building it up a little more. HD concealer. I'm gonna go into my Morphe 35O palette, the shade right here, and put this all over my lid. So I just put these Rogue and Rogue lashes on in the style Noirella. I'm gonna do my face and then come back to the eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Nude Ivory. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my NYX HD concealer and put this under my eyes. And this concealer dries a little fast, so I like to just work in sections. Into my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 10. And I'm just going to set my whole entire face with this. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm just gonna take a Real Techniques Multitask Face Brush and bronze my face. Into the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Paaarty. I'm gonna go into my Melt Cosmetics highlighter in Stargazer. And I absolutely love this highlighter. I got it at the Fame Expo when I went with my sister. Okay, now I'm going to take this small like shader brush and I'm just going to be highlighting my brow bone just. Now we're going to go back into the Anastasia Subculture palette to finish up the eyes. I'm going to take the shade Edge and New Wave. Take the shade that we used on the outer part of my eye, which is this blue shade called Axis. I'm just going to put this on like the outer part of my lower lash line. I'm gonna go into this Colourpop Supershock shadow in Tassel, and on a small detail brush I'm just going to use this as my inner corner highlight. Okay, so I just went in with the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara and just put on my lower lashes. I also put it on my top lashes to blend my falsies and my eyelashes together. Okay, we're gonna go into this Lord and Berry lip crayon in Maximatte, and we're just using this as a lip liner. I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in 0.0. I've never actually used this, so let's just hope it looks okay. We're gonna go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. Finishes this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!